Today we're in the Cummer Art Museum. This is a wing that has to do with the Christianity and European art. This is circa 1500. It's made out of lime wood, that last carving. It's March. High today is 85 degrees. Jacksonville, Florida. And again, we're at the Cummer Museum of Art. This section is from the 1500s, right around 1475 to 1550. This is called Four Scenes from the Life of Christ. And that was made out of ivory. It can't be but about 8 inches by 5 inches. This is absolutely beautiful here. I love the frame. Very ornate. Oil on panel. This was oil and gold ground on panel. This is more lime wood. Circa 1500. I was reading, it said that they take, to get that gold, they would mix the gold with the oil painting.
Really?
And that's how you'd end up with this gilded kind of effect.
Huh, that's beautiful.
By the mixing of the oil and the oil paint and the gold.
Just beautiful.
Really stands out, doesn't it?
It really does.
There's a guy that used to paint that style called Klimt.
Really?
Klimt, yeah. He did some paintings. One was called The Woman in Gold. It was very pretty.
Shows you how old this picture was. It was when our house still had the screen door on the front door.
Ooh, it's fun. Where'd you find that?
It's on the V-trips at the front of their house.
Oh, V-trips.
Because we're right next door. So it shows
This is
our
more
house.
lime. Oh, this is limestone.
Oh.
Limestone.
Okay. I'm ready. That's better. Oh, I know you're low with battery. You always are.
We can change that out. If you need an upgrade, we might want to think about that before you go to New York.
What?
Upgrading your phone. I have some extra phones that I can upgrade you to a better phone?
You say that,
Okay?
yeah. Not a bad idea.
Yeah. And this is just absolutely fabulous. I love the frame. For me, everything's the frame. It starts with the frame. If the frame's fabulous, then it just makes the picture look that much better. There's a label on it. Botticini. Same thing, circa 500. This is pen and ink with a gray wash and traces of black chalk on paper. I'll give you kind of a quick version of what we just walked through here. That's one of my favorites right here, that one. And that's a wood carving. I like that one also. I do like that gold. It's mixed with oil. And again, the frame is just fabulous. They're more like altar pieces in many ways. Especially this one here is more like an altar piece. Something you find in a church. Just fabulous. This is really just a fabulous room. A 500-year-old art. Thanks for watching our videos today.